Welcome to Choice Champions. The best smart blinds is probably one of the most exciting advancements in home automation, offering unparalleled convenience and control over your living space. Imagine waking up to gently rising sunlight, or effortlessly adjusting your window coverings with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone, all without lifting a finger. These intelligent blinds are designed to seamlessly integrate into your smart home ecosystem, providing not just aesthetic appeal but also enhanced energy efficiency by managing sunlight and heat effectively throughout the day. Number 5. VIVOHOME 100-inch Motorized Projector Screen. Transform your space into a cinematic haven with our 100-inch motorized projector screen. It's designed to provide the best viewing experience from 8 to 10 feet away, ensuring you don't miss a detail. Control your viewing experience from anywhere in the room with a wireless remote, offering a range of up to 82 feet. The quiet motor and simple one-touch operation make setting up your movie night a breeze. Experience breathtaking visuals with support for 3D, 1080p, 4K, and Full HD. Its matte white surface and wide viewing angle deliver bright, uniform images with minimal glare, creating an IMAX-like immersion. Easily mounted horizontally or vertically on walls or ceilings with the included hardware. It's compatible with a wide range of projectors, making setup versatile and convenient. Whether it's for a home theater, gaming, office presentations, or educational purposes, this electric screen turns any area into a captivating big screen venue. Built with a protective metal casing and a durable, waterproof PVC fabric, it resists creases and environmental changes. The white clean surface ensures a professional quality display for years to come. What we like? This motorized projector screen offers a large, immersive viewing area perfect for home theaters. Its wide viewing angle ensures everyone gets a great view, even from the sides. If you're looking to create a dedicated cinema experience in your living room or basement, this is an excellent choice for its high-definition capabilities and ease of use. What people say. The motorized feature is a game-changer for accessibility, allowing users to adjust the height with ease. The design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into any living space. Its quiet operation ensures a peaceful environment, even when the motor is engaged. Number 4. Bringnox Motorized Blinds with Remote. Experience complete darkness and enhanced privacy with our 100% blackout material. It effectively blocks sunlight and can be customized to perfectly match your home style. These smart shades offer advanced control through a 15-channel remote. Effortlessly adjust your curtains from anywhere in the room for a truly convenient lifestyle. Seamlessly connect with Apple Home, Alexa, and Google Home. Enjoy hands-free operation with simple voice commands, perfect for when hands are full. Designed for tranquility, these motorized shades operate silently. Set schedules, control temperature, and automate functions via the app for a comfortable living experience. Enjoy uninterrupted control of your motorized blinds with our stable and reliable connection design. Experience a worry-free smart life without signal interruptions. Go green with an optional solar panel. It provides continuous power, eliminating battery changes and reducing reliance on traditional energy sources for eco-friendly operation. What we like? Experience ultimate light control and smart home integration with these motorized blinds. They offer complete darkness, making them ideal for bedrooms or media rooms where light needs to be fully blocked. If you value convenience and seamless integration with your existing smart home ecosystem like Apple Home, Alexa, or Google, these blinds provide a sophisticated and effortless solution. What people say. The motorized blinds are incredibly convenient, allowing me to control the light in my room with just a touch of a button. I love the sleek design of the motorized blinds. They blend seamlessly with my home decor and add a modern touch. The installation process was straightforward, and the motorized blinds operate smoothly and quietly, enhancing the overall ambience of the room. Number 3. Poolcandy Splash Runner Motorized Pool Lounger. Introducing the Poolcandy Splash Runner, the ultimate motorized pool lounger. Experience a new level of fun and freedom in the water. With its powerful dual motors, you can effortlessly drive, spin, and turn. Control your aquatic adventure with just the touch of a button. Newly designed propellers provide increased torque, giving you 20% more speed and superior maneuverability. Navigate the pool like never before. Constructed from durable 0.35mm PVC, it supports up to 300 pounds. Plus, assembly is a breeze, taking only minutes without any tools. Enjoy peace of mind with fully enclosed propellers for enhanced safety. It also includes a deluxe repair patch kit for any unexpected needs. Measuring 66 inches long and 43 inches wide, it offers ample space. It requires 6 D-cell batteries, which are not included. We stand by our product with a 30-day warranty. Contact Poolcandy for any replacement needs to ensure your satisfaction. What we like? Take your pool experience to the next level with this motorized lounger. It allows you to actively drive and maneuver around the pool, adding a fun and interactive element to relaxation. If you're looking for a unique way to enjoy your pool and want to add some excitement for yourself or the kids, this is a fantastic and entertaining option. What people say. The motorized blinds are a fantastic addition to my home, offering convenience and a modern aesthetic. Installation was surprisingly straightforward, and the motorized blinds operate smoothly and quietly. I love the ability to control the blinds with a remote, making it easy to adjust the light in the room without getting up. Number 2. Elite Screen Spectrum 2 Electric Motorized Projection Screen. Experience immersive viewing with this 120-inch, 16:9 widescreen projection screen. It offers a generous viewing area and includes an extra 12-inch drop for versatile installation options. Enjoy stunning, color-accurate images thanks to the fiberglass-backed matte white screen material. It provides a wide 180-degree viewing angle and is fully black-backed for optimal light control. This screen is ready for the latest in home entertainment. It supports 4K, 8K Ultra HD, HDR content, and active 3D, ensuring a cutting-edge visual experience. The durable tubular motor operates smoothly, quietly, and reliably for long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze with the included floating wall and ceiling mount brackets. Effortlessly control your screen with the integrated 3-way wall switch. Optional remote control kits are also available for added convenience. Rest assured with a 2-year 3-year ENRG manufacturer's warranty and lifetime tech support from a trusted US-based company. What we like? This electric motorized projector screen provides a massive 120-inch display with excellent image quality for an enhanced viewing experience. The extra drop feature offers flexibility in installation, making it suitable for various room setups. If you're aiming for a true cinematic feel in a larger space and prioritize vibrant, accurate colors with support for the latest resolutions, this screen is a superb option. What people say. The motorized blinds are incredibly convenient, allowing me to control the light in my room with just a touch of a button. Installation was surprisingly easy, and the blinds operate smoothly and quietly, which I really appreciate. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my home decor. The motorized feature adds a touch of luxury and practicality. Number 1. ZSTARR Motorized Blackout Cellular Skylight Shades. Experience complete darkness with our Blackout cellular shades. The honeycomb fabric and metallized lining effectively block out light, perfect for bedrooms and media rooms. Enjoy smooth and quiet operation with the integrated motorized system. Control your shades easily with the included remote, or opt for solar power. Our unique honeycomb structure provides excellent insulation, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Save on energy costs all year long. These shades are perfect for skylights, inclined windows, and standard vertical windows. The durable aluminum frame ensures long-lasting performance in any setting. Get the perfect fit with our custom-sized shades. Designed to integrate seamlessly into your window frame for a clean, modern look. Installation is a breeze thanks to the patented self-locking motor head. They are designed for easy setup in homes, apartments, and new builds. What we like? These motorized blackout cellular shades are designed for optimal light blocking and energy efficiency, especially for skylight and inclined windows. Their honeycomb structure provides excellent insulation, keeping your rooms comfortable year-round. If you have challenging window placements like skylights or need superior insulation and privacy, these custom-sized shades offer a sleek and functional solution. What people say. The motorized blinds are incredibly convenient for controlling light and privacy. Installation was straightforward, and the motorized feature works smoothly. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with our home decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.